This will be a speed test between the iPhone XS Max versus the Sony Xperia XZ2 Premium. Now the iPhone has the 812 Bionic chip, 4 gigs of RAM. The Sony boy has the Snapdragon 845. This one has 6 gigs of RAM. Turn on both at the same time, see which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. iPhone XS Max booting up a little bit faster, and we are in. On a side note, the XZ2 Premium, this phone likes to move around. I mean, look at this. It's almost like a fidget spinner. I do this all day. Nothing open in the background on both, as you can see. So let's get started. Opening the phone app. You guys are the judges. Messages. Very close. Camera. Maybe the XS on that one. Clock on both. Missed touch on the thing. Try that again. Go. Start the stopwatch. Leave that in the background. Chrome and Safari. Search for GSM Arena. Go. About the same, actually, XZ2 Premium on that one. Scroll through this and go to the desktop version. Go. Looking at the progress bar. Ooh, very close. Slow down the video for me. Pinch to zoom. Nice and fast on the Sony boy. Do the same thing on the iPhone. Very fast. Calculator on both. About the same. App Store and Play Store. Go. Give this to the Sony boy. Search for Lyft. Leave it on this page. Amazon. Give this to the Sony boy. Click on the deal of the day. Leave it on that page. eBay. Faster on the Sony. Click on this laptop. Leave it on that page. NFL app. Very close. Maybe the iPhone on this one. Not really sure. This one. Give this to the, actually it's very close. Not really sure. Super Mario Run. Loading on both. Actually loading on the Sony first. And give this to the Sony boy. Tap to begin. A little bit faster on the iPhone. Actually running the game. Leave that in the background. Subway Surf. iPhone slightly ahead. Tap to play. Leave that in the background. Temple Run 2. Loading on both right now. Ooh! Very close. Which one is ahead? iPhone by a split second. Tap to play. And leave that running in the background. Asphalt 9, let's go. Asphalt 9 Legends. Ooh, give that to the Sony boy. Tap the play button. Leave that in the background. Okay, let's go to PUBG Mobile. iPhone's ahead here a little bit. And iPhone is way ahead. Give this to the iPhone. And the Sony is coming along here. Alright, so the iPhone a little bit faster on that. Give that to the iPhone. San Andreas. Let's go. Looking at the progress bar. Looks like the Sony boy is way ahead. Give this one to the XZ2 Premium. PlayStation app. Now, I'm thinking the Sony should get this since it's a Sony app, but we'll see. Go. Ooh, Sony app goes to the iPhone. That's weird. Snapchat. Give that to the Sony boy. Let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background so you can see. So let's just get started right now, see what happens. PlayStation, still in RAM. San Andreas, good to go on both. PUBG Mobile, good to go on both phones. This one, ready to play on both. Temple Run 2, paused and ready to resume. Subway Surf, paused and ready to resume as well. Mario Run, good to go on both. Let's see, baseball, same place. NFL, same place. eBay, same place on both. Amazon, no reloads yet. The App Store and Play Store, still on lift. Calculator. The browsing, still on the same page. GSM Arena, clock on both. Still running the stopwatch on both, as you can see. Camera. You guys are the judges on that one. Messages. Phone app, boom. So hit me up in the comments, let me know what you thought about this matchup. Are you an Apple iSheep rocking the brand new iPhone XS Max or the iPhone Extra Small, whatever you want to call this phone, with a notch up top, no headphone jack, no headphone adapter, and a slow charger in the box? You spent $2K on a phone, Apple should just include those things, especially the fast charger. Or are you a Sony boy rocking this XZ2 Premium, the Sony XZ2 from earlier this year, Sony XZ Premium, that phone was from last year, upcoming Sony XZ3? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, peace out.